Good morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to share something with you. I placed an order at Maniology a couple weeks ago. I've had this sitting around and decided to finally film it. This is my first stamping kit that I've ordered. Usually it's just single plates I ordered here and there that I like. This one is called Winter Glee Stamping Starter Kit. Inside, you get your Maniology stamping guide. In here, it tells you how to stamp, of course. On the back, it gives you some really good tidbits of info. There's where it tells you how to stamp. And, I don't know, if you've never stamped before, this will come in very handy. Let me read to you what is in the box. The kit includes 2 7mm stamping art polishes. This one has Blizzard, that is B261, and it's lit, L-I-T, and that is B262. Stamping plate MO41 plus MO42. Clear monocle stamper plus scraper card. Whoops, and this is the little card. It's an itty bitty, but it will work, it'll do its job. I'm very appreciative. I like having something like that, a new one. The 2 plates. Whoops. Already taken the blue film off of the Christmas one. You have a Christmas plate, and MO42 is a New Year's plate, which I don't have any of. So I'm excited about that. Maniology MO41. Here is this plate. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you're going to see yourself. There's a lot of ornaments, a few Christmas trees, a few sayings, happy holidays. Can't see what the one says, it's up there, but it's got a Merry Christmas, Let It Snow, Love, Peace, Joy. It's got some snowflakes, happy holidays. I really like this plate, I'm excited to use it. The New Year's plate, I have not taken the film off of yet. Not that that's going to help you see it. It has got the numbers, at each number it's got like a firework behind it, which is really cool. It's got the champagne bottle, a Happy New Year, a lot of different fireworks, different backgrounds here on the side. I don't know if you can see this. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. I really like this plate. Let me show you the Christmas plate now that I can. Oh, there we go. Discovered how to hold it. I really love these plates. The stamper, I have a really hard time getting it. Oh, here we go. Here's the monocle stamper. Don't have one of these, so I'm excited to have that. It's got the solid bottom, which means it's not going to be as spongy. Ones with the hollow bottom where it's open, those sponges have a lot of give. It's nice and sticky. Now I got my fingerprints all over it. And the 2 stamping polishes. It's lit is a nice gold. And the blue, which, ouch, oh, I can't get it out. I have to pry it. There we go, scissors always come in handy. The blue is Blizzard. I do not have a darker blue, navy blue stamping polish. This is going to come in very handy. Same with the other color. It's lit. I cannot wait to use this. Definitely gonna be using it. Today is Wednesday. This will probably go up tomorrow on Thursday the 20th. I'll be using this within the next, I don't know, 2 days, 3 days max. So I'm excited. This all fits nicely in the box. Nice and fit and neat, close together. You can't go wrong. If you have different plans, you can buy where you get monthly boxes. This isn't as such with this one. I got this for $10, which is a good deal. So yeah, this is my new stamping kit. I'm very excited about this, and look, I got bare nails. You don't ever see that in a video. And look at New Year's Day. These long ones are all coming down. They will, well, these will be filed, and these will be, you know, like this one, my ring finger, my middle finger. Those will be taken off quite a bit. I'm going stubby for the new year, start fresh. Give my nails a break, because, I don't know. I'm just going to do it. I forgot to put this inside. Aww. Well, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. If you've never bought a stamping kit before, this is definitely one to go buy. You know, they have different themes, I'm assuming, because it's, you know, Christmas, winter. This is what they had going at the time. So check them out, Maniology.com, the old bundle monster. I'm sure you're familiar with them. Love their stamping plates. Love, love, love. Well, this is the end. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. Please give this a thumbs up. And let's see what else. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you already have this, have these plates. If you buy plates from them, whatever. Let me know. Have a blessed day. Thank you.